Alexander.
Now, Scarlett, you want to tell us what we're going to be doing today?
Oh, sure. Today, Jossie and Chris are going to be doing ornaments.
Thank you so much. Goodbye.
Let's get started. So first, we open our ornaments.
Open it.
What?
Then we have some fillers.
Okay.
Open your fillers.
Yay! So I'm using the green one and this one.
And I'm just going to be using stars because I like stars. They're beautiful.
I'm using stars and these ones. Oh my goodness.
Now we're using spoons to help us put it in. You don't have to, but it's the fastest way we can. Okay, here we go. Oh no, I'm making a mess.
Let me take down the sprinkles.
Mostly this is really messy.
And guys, look, I already put the green. Now time me to pour out the yellow. Acá lo que tiene.
Well, mostly the spoons or our fingers didn't work for us, so try to find something that will work better for you, but I'm just gonna still try with my fingers or whatever I can.
And I'm still gonna try my spoon now. Try both. Both. Go.
Beautiful.
Spoonie, help me. This is a big mess.
Oh no. Yay. So here we go. We got our ornaments. Now we're just going to take these two parts, squeeze it, try to fit it up in there,
I can't do it.
and close it.
I do it. No. Trying to hold it. I just can't do it. It's hurting my finger.
Okay.
Try to
Go.
I can do here and I like in. Boom! Did it.
There you go.
Yeah, nice ornament.
Scarlett, do you like this? Ooh, that was divine.
Kitty cat, you like it? It looks awesome. Let's start shaking. Shake. You know what? Let's do some DJ music. DJ.
Well, now that was it for our ornaments.
Ornament. Subscribe. Press the thumbs up. Press the notification bell for more.
And share
DJ go.
and share with your friends. Goodbye.
Bye bye. DJ go.